Hello viewer, how we have created the designs like that. So I will show you how you can use it. So first of all we will remove it. So I will press on the backspace. So then go to take a custom shape in the center here. Then we will try to take that image over it, stretch it over the shape to cover up the complete shape. I will made it okay. There is a clipping mask we have generated. Then we can move that picture over the shape so you can see how beautiful is looking there. Add a paint. So use the further designs and shapes as well. Thank you for watching.